They keep coming thick and fast. New generation Land Rover Defender. Now, the car instantly looks unbelievable, doesn't it? It's all black, it's Santorini black, it's an X-Dynamic, it's got the 22-inch wheels. The most important thing about this car is the engine. 3-litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower, so it's the D300. It makes it unique. There isn't many D300s available to buy. So the engine is unbelievable, but on top of that, it's the look of the car. Like I said, full black exterior styling, 22-inch wheels, side steps, privacy glass, sliding panoramic sunroof. It's done just over 2,000 miles. It's a 71 plate, so just gone a month or so old. 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. Unbelievable stock where you're getting, and this is just another example. It'll go live on our website and it'll sell. Let me show you. So this car's an X-Dynamic, so all the little sections round the arches and all the way around the car are all colour-coded in high gloss black. On top of the car being Santorini black, that's what makes it look how it does. Defender badging on the bonnet, again, done in black. Now, them wheels completely transform the look of the car. So I'd class them as SVR style wheel, in gloss black, Continental tyres, which is very, very important on a car like this. You've then got colour-coded side steps, privacy glass, and then when we move around the rear, again, spare wheel cover, colour-coded in black. It's got a detachable tow bar, which I'll show you later in the video. So it's a great looking car, but on top of that, it's the engine. And I know I've mentioned the engine a few times. It's very important because it's an expense. When you're ordering these cars, to buy the 300, it's expensive. But on top of that, it's got the right spec, so it makes a huge difference. It's all, as we move on inside, it's all black. So if I get in, a couple of little things I'll show you as I jump in. Illuminated kick plates on the bottom of the doors there. It's all keyless start. And then the big extra inside for me is the sliding panoramic sunroof, which has an internal blind as well. And especially with the car being black exterior, black interior, which is the best-selling combination, that sliding sunroof makes a massive difference. On top of that, you've got features which are great. So cruise control, heated seats, driver and passenger, full surround camera, off-road camera, as you can see, and it's got the towing option there. So you see that? So that is very important as well. So tow assist. The car in condition-wise is stunning. You've got air suspension. It's a great car. And if I go into here, and then you've got your usual standard specification, DAB radio, all your different navigation features, your vehicle dimensions, you've got low traction, all the different driving modes, air suspension, USB charging points in the front, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Also something with the X-Dynamic, if you move on to the door cards, see how you've got this black, which is beautiful. So you get that colour-coded interior trim, which is part of that X-Dynamic. And it makes a difference when you're sat inside. It just feels a bit more smarter in the front there. In the back, it runs all the way around as well in here. And you get that studded doors, which I think I like. I think it's more, a little bit more, it suits the Defender model more, having them exposed little studs around the doors. You've got the charging points in the back, bags of space. Defender 110s are a big car, they've got plenty of room, so there's loads of space in the back, and then you get loads of space in the boot as well. X-Dynamic gives it all this colour coding all around this back bumper as well. And then as we move into the boot, you can see there's your tow bar, brand new, never been used, detachable tow bar. And you can see there it says Land Rover, because a lot of people buy them and then they'll go and get a tow bar fitted afterwards because it's cheaper. That's a genuine detachable Land Rover tow bar, massive boot space, soft close tailgate as well. So that is makes our job so easy when we get stock like this, because Santorini black, 22-inch wheels, pan roof, all blacked, tow bar, 71 registered, and 300 brake horsepower. Going live My number is on the bottom of the screen. If you want to call me direct and get this car reserved, you can. I can answer any of your questions. Just be quick because it won't last long.